Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Korea. In CADian CAD, you can arrange objects in a vector format. Let's express the vector array function of utility. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. Click on Utility, then the Array menu appears, and select Vector Array. Select an object and press Enter. Click to specify the base point. Specify the x-axis vector and y-axis vector in sequence. Move the mouse and click at the desired point to specify the array position. Alignment options will appear in the command window. Let's change the value of the column. Press C on the keyboard, and then Enter. Move the mouse and click at the desired point to specify the column. Once the setting is complete, press Enter to finish the command. We have used the utility feature of CADian CAD to arrange objects in vector format. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.